Today we're going to talk about the dashboard.
This page is meant to give you a quick snapshot of your shop, such as the total yearly revenue, accounts receivable, pipeline value, and your global win percentage.
Next, we have the shop floor capacity heat map. Once you start scheduling your jobs, this will show you how busy the shop is at the various stages. We also have a monthly revenue chart. If you hover over the bars, this shows you the individual job totals as well as the monthly total. Then we have the recent activity area. This shows you a list of the most recent estimates you have worked on.
We have an actions required list. This will show you a follow-up list if a sent estimate is over your follow-up day's setting. Moving on, we have the upcoming deadlines. This shows a list of the jobs that are approaching their completion date. And here we have one of my favorite time savers, the active material needs. This is a printable, complete list of all the materials and hardware required for your won/approved jobs. Having this list here that you can print out and use to order your materials will definitely save you time.
Once you order the materials for an approved job, you will then open the estimate and select the Materials Ordered button, and the materials will be removed from the dashboard list. Next, we have a list of all of the project estimates, giving you a quick overview and a place to open, edit, or delete an estimate. You can also open an estimate while looking at the client's card.
If you have a client who asks you to estimate with shaker doors and with slab doors, you can do the first option, then come here and duplicate the estimate, and then change the door styles of the cabinets without having to start the estimate from scratch.
Lastly, we have a quick export PDF of the financial snapshot, so you don't have to ask your bookkeeper how things are looking. Thanks for using CabEstimator. That's it for this one. Take care.